Muscle car rear end quiz. Can you name these muscle cars from their rear ends only? Think you've got an eye for muscle cars? This quiz challenges you to identify these iconic beasts just from their rear ends. With their unmistakable curves, taillights, and powerful posteriors, these cars are built to stand out. Are you sharp enough to recognize them from behind? This rear end features a pair of round taillights with a bold, wide stance. The car is often associated with its aggressive and muscular appearance, especially from the late 1960s. What car is it? A. Chevrolet Camaro SS. B. Ford Mustang GT. C. Dodge Charger. D. Pontiac Firebird. Correct answer, C. Dodge Charger. This rear end has a narrow panel of taillights with a signature center exit exhaust, making it one of the most distinctive muscle cars of the 1960s. What car is it? A. Ford Mustang. B. Chevrolet Corvette. C. Plymouth Barracuda. D. Dodge Challenger. Correct answer, B. Chevrolet Corvette. This muscle car's rear features a wide-set rear bumper with distinct GT badges and a sharp body design, popular during the late 1960s and early 1970s. What car is it? A. Pontiac GTO. B. Chevrolet Chevelle SS. C. Ford Torino GTD. Dodge Dart. Correct answer, C. Ford Torino GT. This car's rear features two large round taillights with a horizontal bar running across the center, one of the hallmarks of this classic muscle car. What car is it? A. Chevrolet Camaro. B. Dodge Challenger. Shelby GT500. D. Pontiac Firebird. Correct answer, A. Chevrolet Camaro. This car's rear end is known for its signature four eyes, or quad taillights that are grouped in two sets, often seen on late 1960s muscle cars. What car is it? A. Chevrolet Chevelle. B. Pontiac GTO. C. Dodge Charger. D. Ford Mustang Mach 1. Correct answer, B. Pontiac GTO. This car's rear features a pair of small rectangular taillights within a smooth, wide rear panel. What car is it? A. Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. B. Plymouth Roadrunner. C. Shelby Cobra. D. Dodge Dart. Well, correct answer, A. Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. This muscle car's rear is defined by its two sharply slanted rear fenders and a narrow, distinctive rear bumper. What car is it? A. Pontiac Firebird. B. Ford Mustang. C. Plymouth GTX. D. Chevrolet Nova. Correct answer, A. Pontiac Firebird. This car's rear is known for its quad taillights and iconic fastback roof design, giving it a streamlined look for maximum performance. What car is it? A. Shelby GT350, B. Ford Mustang GT500, C. Chevrolet Camaro Z28, D. Dodge Challenger RT. Correct answer, B. Ford Mustang GT500. This muscle car's rear is known for a distinctive dual exhaust setup and its broad rear end with sharp, vertically stacked taillights. What car is it? A. Dodge Charger, Chevrolet Chevelle SSC Pontiac GTO, D. Buick Skylark. Correct answer, A. Dodge Charger. This car's rear end features wide, rounded taillights and a signature raised rear end that makes it stand out on the road. What car is it? A. Plymouth Barracuda, B. Chevrolet Corvette, C. Ford Mustang Mach 1, D. Pontiac Firebird. Correct answer, C. Ford Mustang Mach 1.